Handling stress. Stress is your body's way of responding to any kind of demand. Its symptoms include headaches, frustration, loss or increase of appetite, oversleeping, or sleepless. Everybody experiences stress at some point of life. Stress can be work or job related or family related or because of your studies, poor health or by financial problems. Some people handle stress effectively while some people fail to take steps to distress their life. Something that is stressful for you may not be stressful for someone else. There are many different kinds of stress. Stress can affect your physical and mental health and your behavior. Your body responds to stress by producing chemicals and hormones. Your heart rate increases, your brain works faster, and you have a sudden burst of energy. The weights of stress. Here the teacher enters the class and finds all the students much stressed over the examination which is going to be held. They had been studying for it for over a week and still engrossed in their books in school. That means very busy with the books, continuously keep on studying. So the teacher decides to distract them. At first, on showing the glass of water, the teacher said, "How heavy is this glass of water?" The students answered, 500 ml, 300 ml, like that. Then the teacher said, "The weight doesn't matter, it depends on how long you try to hold it." And she started to explain that if you hold it for a minute, that's not a problem. But if you hold it for an hour, you will get pain in your arms. And if you hold it for a day, you will have to call an ambulance. In each case, the weight of the glass doesn't change, but the longer you hold it, the heavier it becomes. Same way, your stresses and worries in life are very much like this glass of water. If you carry your burden all the time, it becomes increasingly heavy. You won't be able to carry on any other work. After explained by the teacher, the students understood, and one of the students said, "We understand now, ma'am, that as with the glass of water, we have to put it down for a while and rest before holding it again." And said, "Hereafter we will not take the burden of stress of examination anymore." Yes, my dear students, from this chapter, Handling Stress, you also should not think about anything continuously in your mind and don't get stressed. Be happy, enjoy the life.